Hello everyone and welcome to another Learn Lounge tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to add students to our roster and how to check our roster. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is log into our teacher account. We can do that by going to dashboard.learnlounge.games/login, exactly like I have typed up here. And then on this page you want to go ahead and type in your email and password. So let's do that really quickly. There we go. And then click sign in. Okay, so it's going to take us to our dashboard home page. And on the left hand side, see where it says courses. If you click on that, it's going to open up our course menu. And let's click on the name of the course that we're interested in. So if we're trying to check our roster, let's first click on let's try first course. Let's say we're trying to check our roster for this course. Okay, on the right hand side where it says roster, we want to click on that. And it's going to load up the students we have registered into this course. Okay, so right now we just have Mr. Anonymous right there. If we wanted to add more students, we can click add student right here. Okay, and we'll be able to search and add students here. But let's say we're interested in checking this student's progress in our class. Okay, you can see that they've answered questions 10 times and that their grade across those 10 questions was a 60. Okay, it's going to pop up as red. If we click on them, it's going to show the 10 questions that they have answered. Okay, and that's the 10 including the questions that they may have answered more than one time. Okay, so if they answered the same question twice, it's going to pop up as 2 questions. And you can see that here where it says Alejandro likes Android phones. He got it correct both times right there. Okay, and then see, Chris likes Android phones. He got it wrong on this occasion, but got it correct on this occasion. Okay, so you can follow along and look at your students' specific answers and see how they're doing and check which questions are they struggling with. Okay, but now let's do the add student tutorial. Okay, so let's go over to this third course. We don't have any students enrolled yet. You can see that right here with the 0. And let's say that we want to add Mr. Anonymous from that first course and add him to the third course as well. What we can do is click on roster. And since we don't have anybody enrolled in this course yet, it's going to show up as this blank screen. Okay, we want to click on add students. And then we want to select the course from which we're adding them from. Okay, so since Anonymous is in first course, we want to add him to third course. We're going to click first. Okay, because that's the one he's currently in. Okay, then click choose course. And right here, it's going to pop up with a list of our students. Right now, we just have Anonymous there. So we'll click on Anonymous. If you wanted to, you could also type in their name right here to search them up. But since he's already right here, I'm going to click on him. And then we can hit add student, and it's going to add Anonymous. If you have several students that you want to add from the first course to this course all at once, you can hit add all students, and it'll just take everybody in that roster and add it to this roster. Okay, so let's go ahead and add him, and you're going to get this message, success. He has been added, and there he is. Mr. Anonymous has been added to this class. So there you have it. This is how you can add students into your course. That's it for today.